Hello Pharmapians, today we will learn about Krebs cycle. Let's make it simplest with the help of some tricks and shortcuts. This is a typical Krebs cycle given in many books which had been learned by students from years. It looks quite complex. Many students skips this and shifts to the simplest version of it. Don't worry, we are here to make it easy to learn and remember. So before getting into the topic, let us discuss some facts about Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle is also known as TCA cycle and citric acid cycle. Second, Krebs cycle takes place in the mitochondrial matrix. Cycle was named after Hans Kreb, who was awarded Nobel Prize in 1953 for his contribution. We will divide the whole video into three parts. First, name of intermediates. Second, name of enzymes. And third, byproducts. First, name of intermediates. To remember the names of the intermediate, we have a simple mnemonic here, which is Silab industry ke Sushant Singh famous hai. The word in the red color will indicate the intermediate's name. First, C stands for citrate, I stands for isocitrate, K for ketogluconate, S for succinyl coenzyme A, second S for succinate, F for fumarate, M for maltate, and O for oxaloacetate. Second, names of enzymes. To learn names of enzymes, we have another simple mnemonic here, that is Sun Amit de de tere DFDK notes. Here S stands for synthase, A for achotinase, all the D here stands for dehydrogenase, T for thiokinase, and F for fumarase. For making the picture more clear, let us give numbers to the arrows first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are total 8 enzymes and 8 arrows. The enzymes will be placed to the respective arrows. Synthase at the first, achotinase at the second, and so on. The respective numbers will be followed by the names of the enzymes given in this mnemonic. Some additional words are here can be seen along with the main enzyme, which is in green color. We can remember them by a simple rule, that is, all the synthase enzymes, for those enzymes we will consider the word which is after the arrow, and for all the dehydrogenase enzymes we will consider the word which is before the arrow. For example, we have citrate at the very first arrow. Citrate synthase is the enzyme used at this step. Since it is a synthase enzyme, we will use the word which is after the arrow, that is citrate, along with the main enzyme synthase. So the name of the enzyme will be citrate synthase. Similarly with the dehydrogenase enzymes, for example, we can see at the third position we have dehydrogenase, and the rule is we have to take the word which is before the arrow, that is isocitrate. So along with dehydrogenase we will use isocitrate to complete the enzyme isocitrate dehydrogenase. Coming to the third part, which is byproducts of the cycle. To learn this, simply we have to remember few numbers. They are 3, 4, 5 and 6, which are in series. Leave 7 and write 8. So first 3, 4 and 8. At these arrows we have to write NAD plus to NADH. At 5th position we have to write GDP to GTP. At 6th position we have to write FAD to FADH2. C here represent carbon dioxide, which will be removed from the cycle, due to which there will be a change in the carbons in the chain. At 5th position G represent the G of GDP, and at 6th position F represent the F of FAD. Thank you so much for watching. If you found the tricks helped you in any way, then please do motivate us by giving like, subscribing our channel and sharing with your classmates.